Hey guys, today we are going to see 6 different ways to say sorry. Now, we are going to see some example with some story behind it. Imagine you had a fight with your friend, moreover it's like miscommunication or misunderstanding, you can name it. So, the conversation is all about between you and your friend and how you are pleading your sorry in 6 different ways. We all come across this situation in our life, right? Let's see the examples.
How could you say about me like that?
I'm really sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you.
Please take it. You said you want this.
No, my apologies for asking it.
Do you think it's my fault?
Oops, my bad. Just think what you said.
You're so mean and don't talk to me.
Please forgive me.
What do you want to talk to me?
I owe you an apology and I want to solve this right now.
Are you blaming me for that?
No, I take full responsibility for this miscommunication. Hope you liked this video and hope we learned something today, right? If you do, would you like to learn with me? Thanks for watching.